My name is Nnedi Okorafor, and I am the writer of the storyline of Black Panther, Long Live the King. So, what do Wakandans eat? In the Black Panther comics and film, Wakanda is a fictional East African nation known for its great wealth and incredible technology. In Wakanda, there are 5 tribes. Each of them is distinct with their own languages, ways, and histories. Wakanda is an amalgamation of several African cultures. So just as the film pulls from African jewelry, arts, textiles and fabrics, architecture, and music, cuisines of Wakanda would follow the same line of thinking. Wakanda is landlocked in East Africa, so we would look to those surrounding countries for inspiration for their cuisines. Wakanda is a very wealthy nation, so Wakandan food would be very rich and have the finest ingredients. They'd have organic everything. The animals that they'd eat would be clean, happy animals, Much of what Wakandans need would come from Wakanda. Wakanda is colorful, it's teeming with life, it's teeming with potential. Wakanda is a dream. Black Panther has turned the world's eye to Africa in a positive way. In the past, we haven't seen proper representation of African cuisine in mainstream media. And this is one of the reasons why food is so important, because food, in a lot of ways, is a representation of a people's. And when your cuisine is not given the stage, it's not shown, you're absent from the narrative. One of the things about Black Panther that makes it so unique is its portrayal of Africa as a place of wealth, of diversity, of beauty. We know what the stereotype is around the world of starving African. Parts of the world don't even think that Africans eat, let alone have sophisticated cuisine. Food is often a representation of culture and people. African food is so diverse and it's so full of flavors and colors and magic. If you are not exposed to African food, then you're missing out on an important part of life.
Oh, yes!